Hello, today we have A2Z EV Tesla adapter from CCS to Tesla. So we're gonna give it a try, and this is an American electrified American 350 watt. Let's see how fast it goes. First, you're gonna put the adapter to the CCS charger first before you plug into the Tesla. Then you can plug into the Tesla. Now the machine is connected, and you can pay by credit card or you can pay by the app. Okay, look, it's charging right now. Let's look at the speed. It's 88 kilowatt. We did not preheat the battery, so maybe that's why now I still have 89 miles. If I have low mileage, probably will go faster than that, but still reasonable. So before you purchase this adapter, you have to make sure your car is capable. So you're gonna come to here on your Tesla software, and here says additional information. You click additional vehicle information. That will tell you that if your CCS adapter support is enabled. So if you got your car after 2020 third season, your car should be CCS adapter support enabled. Make sure your car have this before you purchase adapter. So from my experience, you have to plug the adapter into the charging station first, then into your Tesla. That is much easier way to do it. But when you finish charging, you have to unplug the charging station first. Then you remove the adapter from your Tesla.